Hello, it's Johnny Vlogger here doing another food review on Easyjet. So this is my meal on the plane today. I've ordered hot crock ham and cheddar toastie. Gammon ham, cheddar cheese, bit of mustard, mozzarella and cheddar topping. Homemade for Easyjet. The real rat company. Right, let's try it. It's very hot. It's like you can't hold it for more than a few seconds. It's that hot. Right, let's open it. Right, I've just opened it, pulled a bit out, so I think you get 2 or 3 bits. There we go. Bit of cheese on the top. Nothing underneath. There's a bit of ham inside, a bit of cheese on the top. It's not toasted on the inside, it's just been cooked on the top. Oh, maybe underneath as well. Right, let's try it then. Quite nice. Very hot. Crunchy. Cheese is nice. The ham. We're about an hour into the flight. We was just flying over the Bay of Biscay. I think we're just coming up to the coast of I don't know if it's Spain or Portugal. I'll film it in a minute. So this cost £9.50 with a can of Coke, and I've got some Pringles original. They do other drinks like Fanta, Sprite, water, tea, coffee, but I got a can of Coke. I might film the Easyjet menu in a minute so you can see. So I won't film me eating all of this, I'll just film me eating this bit. What I think of it. And I'll give it an overall rating when I've finished it. I must admit, it's better to have a hot meal than a cold meal. Especially in the evening. So it's pitch black outside, you can't see nothing. You can see some lights down there. That's northern Portugal, or a bit of Spain, one or the other. Carry on eating my toastie. So far so good. It's very good, very nice. And I'll film a bit more in a bit. Right guys, I've finished the ham and cheddar toastie. It was very nice. I'm on the Moretti beers. Very nice. I've got a Madri, a can of Madri as well. One of each. So this was £9.50 with the Pringles and the can of Coke, and I've got 2 beers for £10. So I spent £19.50. But I had an £10 voucher. I paid £8 for it, so it's cost me £9.50 plus £8. So it was very nice, good value for money. Well, maybe a little bit on the expensive side, but you always pay more on a plane anyway. If I had to give that a rating, I'm going to give that a 9 out of 10. It was quite good, quite nice. I haven't had one of these before on a Easyjet plane, so yeah, it's good. The Pringles would just be standard, won't they? They're original, so nothing special with them. And the beer was good. It's a shame it's only a 330ml can, not a 568 a pint one. That's good as well. I'll probably give that a 9. So overall a 9 altogether. So I'll film the catalogue in a minute. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, Johnny Vlogger UK, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. But like I said, I'll just show you the cafe shop at the end, the food bit.
Drinks and snacks a couple of times throughout the flight. However, if we aren't in the cabin and there is anything you would like, please don't hesitate to press the call bell in the panel above your head and a crew member will come serve you in your seat.
video. Tobacco prices, they fluctuate, so you need to ask the cabin crew on the day of your flight. All the duty-free stuff, some of the prices are in the catalogue, but I was just showing you the food and drinks. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Johnny Vlogger UK, Johnny Vlogger UK. Share, hit the bell, notification bell, hit the hype button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.